In today's fast-paced digital era, businesses are increasingly turning to machine learning to unlock the untapped potential of the market. This cutting-edge technology allows companies to analyze vast amounts of data to identify trends, patterns, and customer behavior, thus gaining valuable insights into market potential. By harnessing the power of machine learning, businesses can make data-driven decisions that drive growth and maximize their market potential. A retail company leveraged machine learning algorithms to analyze customer data and generate personalized product recommendations, leading to a significant increase in sales and customer satisfaction. The case study demonstrates the importance of effective communication in team collaboration. The hospitality industry player successfully implemented machine learning to optimize dynamic pricing, leading to improved revenue and customer satisfaction. Analyzing the impact on revenue and customer satisfaction can provide valuable insights into the effectiveness of products or services, as well as the overall customer experience. By examining the relationship between revenue and customer satisfaction, businesses can identify areas for improvement and implement strategies to enhance customer loyalty and drive revenue growth. A technology firm successfully leveraged machine learning to optimize targeted marketing campaigns, resulting in higher customer engagement and conversion rates. Success metrics are the quantitative and qualitative measures used to assess the achievement of business goals and objectives. They provide a clear understanding of performance and help in evaluating the effectiveness of strategies.